I'm back once again to slay your day. This wig I have on is the Sensationnel Robin wig in the color jet black, because it's too hot to have on anything past your shoulders. I put all of my longer units on notice. If you go anything past the shoulder, you are up for elimination. You might just be getting cut. That's what we'll be doing for you today. But before we get started, if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, because I slay and have a fun time doing it, and I would love for you to join me. And don't forget, I have my giveaway going on. I'm be giving away this beauty at 300 subscribers. This is the Sensationnel Trisha wig in the color F430. To win this wig, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, as well as drop a comment down below telling me what you would like to see more of on my channel. If you enjoy my wig reviews, you want more outfit ideas, or original content, just let me know, y'all, because as you know, I'm always up for a challenge. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video, shall we? So here is the wig that really needs some help. I don't really know how this wig ended up like this, y'all. So let's just get these tangles out first, and then I guess we can go from there. Oh my gosh. At least I can comb through it though. And there's no shedding as well, so that's a bright note. I got this wig from Sensationnel. I'm not sure of the name, but I never wore it because I don't like the thickness. It just looks super unrealistic, I feel like. But I'm trying to save me some coin, you feel me? I can't be buying a wig every week now, y'all. So I'm gonna try and cut this one into a cute blunt bob. Now, first off with this wig, I feel like I want to thin it out some. And if y'all been rocking with me for a little while, then y'all familiar with my thinning technique. Because this hair is straight, you have to be just a little bit more cautious, because if you're cutting, it might be more visible. So you want to get as close to the weft as possible. So I think that's about as much hair that I'm gonna thin this out. The density is a little bit more realistic. So I've recruited my little brother to help me cut this. I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail at where I would like the length to stop. So I think about at the nape of my neck is good. If you need a guide, you can kind of do it like where you feel your bone protruding. That's what I kind of use as my guide. So I make sure my elastic lines up with that bone, and then I go ahead and grab my scissors and start cutting. So just cut it right underneath it.
Oh yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, so here we go. This is what we have now. This is about as much as he cut. I might have to hire him. I'm kind of liking this joint. I might have to go back and clean it up, but this looks pretty good. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil on this hair, and then I'm going to straighten it on low heat. And if you do mess up on your cut, one way to kind of hide it is to like kind of curl the ends under a little bit. I feel like that really helps to hide any imperfections, especially if you're doing like a angled blunt edge bob cut. I'm loving it. I love this sheen. I love it. I love this cut. This parting looks so good to me. And I'll show you guys. So that's it for this video. If you guys like what I did to this wig, please give me a thumbs up. But don't forget, if you want sneak peeks of upcoming wigs I'm going to be reviewing or, you know, styling, just follow me on Instagram at ZiAsia. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you